Hey everyone. Today let's look at the main differences between the Gardyn Home and the Gardyn Studio and find out which one is right for you. Both units come with everything you need to get started, including lights, seeds, plant food, and the garden digital assistant named Kelby. With the Gardyn app, you even have the ability to turn Kelby off and handle things like timers for watering and lighting schedules manually. The main differences come in the form of size and some small design tweaks. The Gardyn Studio stands at around 4.5 feet tall and around 1.5 feet wide. It also has one light source and fits up to 16 plant pots. The towers have slight design tweaks but bring you the same sturdy tubing you'll find in the Gardyn Home. Additionally, you'll notice another detail not found in the home version, with the logo cut out for the water reservoir cap, which is actually pretty cool. Even though the Studio has only one light source, it actually produces more light than one standard home LED. Now let's look at the Gardyn Home. The Gardyn Home has a lighter wood base, two light sources, and stands at around 5.25 feet tall. Due to its larger size, it can fit up to 30 plant pods. Let's take a look at these two side by side so you can see the difference for yourself. If you have a smaller space like a loft or studio, or you want your garden to accent a space like the end of a kitchen island, then the Gardyn Studio may be the right choice for you. However, if you have a little bit more space to work with, or like me, just want to grow as many plants as possible, then hands down, it's the Gardyn Home for you. Either way, you're getting a semi-automated hydroponic system that looks great in any space. I've grown everything from herbs, flowers, tomatoes, cucumbers, and strawberries in my systems, and they are still to this day my absolute favorite indoor method.